Hey Charmers! And welcome to the unboxing of December's BoxyLuxe. Yay!
All right, so we're gonna jump right in and we're going to start off with
our first sneak peek.
Violet
Voss.
Yes.
So guys, this palette is amazing. Like there's so many different shades, like whatever mood you're in. If you're in like for a neutral mood, glittery mood, whatever mood, there's like so many different colors. And I like that there's like different
finishes. Yeah, I love that it's mattes.
Yes.
Shimmers and satins, and there's 20 shades, and it's a perfect palette to transition from day to night. That's my favorite part.
Yeah,
I agree. The colors are really easy. What's really special about this palette is that it's actually infused with jojoba oil. Yeah,
it is.
It's fantastic, and each of these pans are full size, which is great. So you're basically getting 20 eyeshadows full size. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. I absolutely love it.
And the formula is super buttery. Like I need to swatch them on you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the shade Toffee because it's my favorite shade.
I love. Wow.
Look at that. Wait.
Hold on.
Wait. One more. No, let's do a matte too. The shimmers are like beautiful.
I absolutely love that. Look, it's so shiny.
I love it. A matte, just so you feel the finish.
It's really great. The formula is fantastic.
Very easy to blend with these shadows for sure.
That blends super nicely.
It's a perfect transition colors.
Yep. So the next product in December's BoxyLuxe is the Luxie Complete Face Brush Set, which is
fave.
Fantastic.
I know.
I'm really excited for this one.
I'm obsessed with it. I just can't wait to get it.
Yeah.
So they have so many different brushes, like for detailed eye brushes. You even have a spoolie to clean up your eyebrows, a lip brush. So the whole set is 8 brushes. Again, you have about 3 for your face. The rest are more for details for your eyes, your eyebrows. But again, you can use these brushes like so many different ways.
Yeah.
Like even some of the eye brushes I could use like to buff out my concealer or anything like that. So there's a lot of multi-use.
And there's a little lip brush, which is great because I can just pop that in my purse and take it with my favorite lip gloss or my favorite lipstick.
Why don't we unbox it? I haven't unboxed this yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's unbox it.
See?
All right.
There you go.
Oh, it comes with, it's like a stand. You can stand up your brushes.
You don't even need a cup anymore. You have a really cute stand, and it organizes your brushes super cute.
I love it.
So this is probably my favorite brush. I don't know about you, but the Luxie 522, I'm obsessed with this brush. Like, can I just go like this so you can literally feel the softness?
That feels so good.
Of these brushes.
I love it.
I love the bristles of this brush. I love everything about it.
I have to say that Luxie has some of my favorite eye brushes ever. I'm so obsessed with this
100%.
blending brush. This is a fluffy blending brush. I want to pull it out and play with it. I might use this later.
I really like this brush, like for buffing. Like I'm obsessed with it. I was using it on Johnny the other day, and I was like, Johnny, can I just like buff your foundation for like an hour? It was so good. It made his foundation look so seamless. It was insane.
And this brush, I love to detail my bottom lash line, and I also use it to clean like as soon as I finish. As soon as I finish doing my brows, this is what I go in with.
All right, our third sneak peek. I'm so excited about this. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I didn't want to say it wrong, but this product is amazing. I love skincare. Skincare products are my favorite. I don't know about you.
I'm all about skincare too, but especially anti-aging skincare, and it's actually proven to smooth your wrinkles.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I know it has ginkgo biloba, chlorella, and a bunch of other amazing ingredients that I don't know how to pronounce, but I know they're amazing for you.
Yeah, it's absolutely great.
Yeah.
It also...
How does it smell?
It smells...
I haven't smelled it yet, but...
It smells amazing. And it also helps support the feeling of firmness, suppleness, elasticity, all the good things that you want your skin to feel as you age. So that's really important to know.
And it's never too early
to
start.
It's not.
Using anti-aging creams.
Absolutely.
It's better to start young.
Yes, like you little spring chicken.
And we know you Charmers love skincare, so we just had to put it in December's BoxyLuxe. I'm excited for this one because I know that you Charmers had so much fun being able to finally customize a part of your items in your BoxyLuxe box, which was either the PYT Mini Hair Iron or
the Suva Protégé Palette.
So for those of you who chose the PYT Mini Hair Iron, or those of you that will be receiving the PYT Mini Hair Iron, there is 5 different colors, which I love because it really goes in within the theme of this month's box, like the vibrant colors and whatnot. And don't be fooled, these little mini hair irons look tiny, but they get really hot.
Yeah, they do.
They're tiny but fierce.
I think about 400 degrees, I want to say. 400
almost
degrees.
like 400 degrees.
That's a lot.
It's crazy.
That's as hot as a regular sized iron. And it's perfect because you can take it anywhere. You can fix your flyaways with it. You can also curl with it. I've curled with it, and I love it.
We actually did it on stories. If you guys checked out, we did like little clamps in Caro's hair.
Yeah.
We fixed up P's hair. I remember we fixed up her flyaways. There's like so much you can do with this. Like it's insane, and it's again amazing for traveling.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
you never want to carry so much stuff.
You can pop it in your purse, your suitcase, whatever.
You didn't iron your hair in the morning for work. It's fine. You get to work, go to the bathroom, plug it in, and
that's
you can
it.
iron it because it's so tiny. It fits in your purse.
Yeah, it's perfect. So we all know Suva for their super highly pigmented palettes.
Extremely pigmented.
Yeah, and very bright. So it's actually very exciting to see something like this that they actually created with us. So we actually saw this from start to finish. It features 6 eyeshadows and 2 highlights. So I think we should swatch this.
Yeah, and I really like it because there's like 2 different vibes, whether you're like more warm, like I'm in like warm tones, or like I want to be like in the cool tones with the purples and like the silvers. Caro, can we talk about this mirror?
I know, the mirror is absolutely fantastic.
It's huge.
It's humongous. You can,
I'm obsessed with it.
I always like to do, especially when I'm doing my eye makeup, I like to hold up a mirror really close to my face, and sometimes I have trouble with the palettes that I'm using because the mirror's not big enough. So
Or some don't even have mirrors.
Exactly. So I really appreciate that there is such a big mirror in this palette.
All right, so the next item is these beautiful Tarte lip paints. There's 3 shades. You're receiving one of these shades. It's the Insta Famous, Flaming Hot, and Strike Gold. I'm obsessed with these.
I'm really excited for these. They are exclusive to us right now. They have not launched yet, so that's very, very exciting, just in time for the holidays.
I know.
Yeah.
And everyone gets one, so you guys are gonna be, I'm obsessed with them. I use them every day now.
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna swatch one of them? Okay, let's swatch.
Let's swatch.
Let me do me because you've done your poor self.
Yeah.
I just need to like feel it because the thing is, when the light hits these, like you see all the like metallic, like holographic shimmers that are in them.
I want to see this one. This one is my favorite.
Yeah, that's
in
Insta
particular.
Famous. This one is the more burgundy, pinkish tone, which goes really well tied in with the Suva palette or the Violet Voss palette.
I think all of them, for the most part, pair really well with the palettes.
This one's amazing because this one's gold. I'm obsessed.
Just like,
you see, so
they
once
smell
the
really
it's like
good.
highlight. Once the light hits,
and it's glossy. It's got a really nice glossy. They have all have a really nice glossy finish.
we're really excited for you charmers to get this product because it's a great product, and I love all the shades. I love all the variations.
I love it because you can wear it alone, or you can pair it with a lip liner, or a matte lipstick, or a satin finish lipstick, whatever you want to kind of amplify your look.
Yeah, whenever you're feeling glossy.
Whenever you're feeling glossy. So the next BoxyLuxe item we have is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. So
Matches your shirt.
It does match my shirt.
I'm obsessed.
It's very cute. It's got a lot of pinky vibes. Let's open it up and take a look. So we have 3 shades,
3 different shades.
1 highlight and 2 blushes. Well, you can kind of get
Highlight
away with
that one.
Yeah, you can highlight with that
because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, which I like.
It does.
Yeah.
I kind of want to play with it. Do you want to play with it?
Yes. You know what the good thing about this palette is? That you can also use it on your face, but you can also use it on your eyes.
That's true. You can.
Because I use my highlighter sometimes on my eyes, and I would use any of those shades on my eyes, for sure. So like if you were to take a big brush or a small brush, if you're using your Luxie brushes, these 2 are really good. This is the Luxie 522 and the Luxie 229. These are 2 good brushes that pair really well with this palette. So let's try some. You ready? Can I?
How does it look?
Beaming.
Oh, wow. It kind of has a gold undertone. I really
Yeah.
love highlights with gold undertones.
I'm more of a gold undertone. Okay. And then the bigger
blush.
one. Which type of blush are you? Like a lighter, a darker?
I like a darker blush. So we're gonna go in with the middle shade, which is Havana Nights.
Yes. Smile. Show me the apples of your cheeks. So cute. I'm obsessed
Oh,
with
it's
this blush.
really pretty.
Yeah.
This palette is really great, and I love it. It looks compact, but it's actually a super deep fill.
Caro, what I really like about this palette is that it's literally amazing for on the go.
Yeah, it absolutely is, and it actually is what Wander is all about. They are known for their travel-inspired makeup and very compact packaging, which I totally love.
Yeah. I love it too. All right, Charmers, so the next product is mascaras. Yay. So the first mascara some of you Charmers might be receiving in December BoxyLuxe is the Lorac Royal Treatment Mascara. This mascara is amazing because it has a blue primer on one side. I'll tell you a little bit why it's blue and not white. And your black mascara on the other side. So the reason why the primer is blue is because instead of white, the blue is going to give you more like a blue-black finish to make your eyes really pop, make your lashes look really long and luxurious. So the next mascara some of you Charmers might be receiving is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. So what I like about this mascara is that it's lightweight, it's flake-proof, so no flakiness, it's smudge-proof, and it's jet black, which is amazing, and also lightweight.
And it's awesome for curling your lashes.
Yes, let's just take a look at this wand.
Just based on the wand, it has a curve. So
Which
that
is
really,
amazing.
yeah, it helps you achieve that really tall and
Curled up lash. So it's gonna lift and curl your lashes.
The last mascara that some of you might be receiving is Grande mascara, and this is fantastic because it is actually healthy for your lashes, and we've seen Grande in the box before and we love this brand. And another great thing about the mascara is that it's extremely buildable, it's water resistant, and something that I just learned is that it's also safe for lash extensions, which
For real?
yeah, it is. You can actually use it with your lash extension. So for those of you who have lash extensions, you can actually use this.
I've never seen a mascara that you can use it like with your fake lashes, like your falsies.
Yep.
That's awesome. So all of you Charmers will be receiving this next product, which is the Spongelle. This is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. What I like about this is that it's a body wash and a buffer at the same time, and it smells amazing.
It smells so good, and I don't think I've ever owned anything like this ever in my life. Have
But
you?
it's not even out of the package, and it already smells
I know.
so
Can
good.
we open it?
I've
to
never,
see
yeah.
what it looks like?
I've never owned anything like that.
Ooh,
It's a star.
it is a
Is it
literal
star?
sponge.
It's a
Aw.
star, like Patrick Star.
This is very cute.
I really like the texture of this because it feels like a sponge, but it feels like a buffer at the same. I don't even know. Like, look, feel
Yeah.
the texture, and it smells amazing.
Yeah. So what you do is you submerge it underwater, and then you pull it out and you use it in circular motions. And then before you put it away, because you can get multiple uses out of this, but before you put it away and you're finished using it, you have to squeeze all the excess water out and then place it in the shower.
I love it. I can't wait to take a shower now.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right, Charmers. So the last product you guys will be receiving in your BoxyLuxe box is this Glam AF bag from Crimes of Beauty. Yeah, and it says Glam AF, which is what we are right now. Glam AF.
Okay, Charmers, so that is it, and we hope that you enjoyed the unboxing for December's BoxyLuxe.
I love this box.
I do too. I'm very excited.
I can't wait for this BoxyLuxe for you guys to get your boxes because who doesn't love BoxyLuxe?
No,
The bigger the better.
the bigger the better.
Bye,
Bye,
Charmers.
Okay, Charmers, so that is it for today. Blah. See? I can only do it once. Okay, Charmers, so that's it. Blah. Okay, All right, Charmers, so that's it, and we hope you enjoyed the... Okay, Charmers, so that is all we have for today, and we hope that you enjoyed December's unbox... What is wrong with me? Okay,
1, 2.
Yeah.
Cause we are sisters. We stand together. Okay. Be about scrubbing your body. Give me the soap.
And it's made...
It's fine. With just like that.
Awkwardly, it looked like this arm.
Go like this. Just go like this. I think. Like that.
It's fine. We'll get smooth wrinkles.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
I didn't know
and
that.
yeah, and
Can that be a blooper? Please, and send it directly. Airdrop it to my phone. My God, when you call me, that's gonna be the ringtone. Za 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 za.
Okay, so okay. Next.
Christian's like, you're such a potty mouth.
It smells amazing, and it also helps.
Oh my God.
I put it down thinking that the table shows.
It's fine.
Oh, I want to keep this
I
and
love
put
it.
a plant in
Okay,
it.
we're at 10. Give me.
No, I got it.
This is from TJ Maxx. No, don't do that. Your sweater's probably more expensive than mine. Why would you do that?
Cause whatever, take one for the team. Okay, so the next item in box. The next item.
Yeah.
Okay, no more. Okay. Brand. Okay. Ah la 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 la.
Okay. Workplace. Okay. Just smile. Just think about like the day you got married.
Oh, I cried a lot that day. Okay. Alright.
Ready?
I love to bathe, so I'm gonna be really excited about this.
Okay, Charmers, the next product we have for you guys is not one, not two, but 3 different
I'm
types
sorry,
of mascara.
I messed up your entire.
It's fine. Let's do it again.
Very
Ready?
anticlimactic. Okay.